as I said, I'm doing the video on the giveaway. So, um, if you don't know about the giveaway, please go watch the previous video. In the previous video, I am doing a Pisces birthday set, and I am just getting people to tune into my channel to get new subscribers and to get my squad back. I need for you guys to start commenting more, to interact with me, to just show me some love. But in that giveaway, I did announce that I will be giving away to two winners. I will be giving away a nail trainer practice hand, and I will be giving away a professional gel polish LED lamp. And in order to be entered into the giveaway, you had to watch the full video to the end, like, comment why you want to enter the giveaway or why would you like to win, and then share. So I've been getting my views have went up. I just need for you guys to share it if you are interested in this giveaway. And like I said, this giveaway was mainly for new beginner nail techs. If you just deciding that you want to do nails, and maybe you don't have all of your supplies, maybe you don't have all of the things you need to get started. So maybe this is just something to help you starting out. Did I say to be two winners? Two winners. So you each will receive a nail trainer hand, and I'm getting ready to show that. And then I also am going to be putting up these on my Amazon storefront. I'm going to get an Amazon storefront, and that way you guys can purchase it if you still want a hand or if you need a hand. Okay, now there are various types of hands you can use when you are practicing nails as beginner nail techs. I've tried the silicone, I've tried this hand, I've tried the plastic hard hand, I've tried the silicone, I've tried the fingertips. They're around here somewhere. The little fingers that look like this, I've tried those. This nail trainer hand will help you in regards to application, making sure you know how you can look at the nail from each angle to see that your apex is correct, that you have a nice form. This nail trainer hand is also good for nail art when you want to practice your nail art and you don't have a client. This is like your hand model. A lot of people's like, well, it really doesn't give me the feel of a client. To me, it actually did, because it required me to sit up because you have to place this on the table. I would take it out. Matter of fact, let me just show you one, but I'm gonna read it first. Okay, hold it the right way first. So basically, okay, so this is how it looks. This is how the box looks. Okay, it's a nail trainer hand designed for independent learning. Description: the nail trainer practice hands finger pivot and rotate like human fingers. You won't believe how lifelike it is. Practice any nail skill or nail application on the nail trainer practice hand if you were using a human hand. A nail trainer hand will also help you eliminate mistakes on nails, speed the learning process, create nail extensions faster, improve application techniques, increase your skill level, improve customer satisfaction, and enjoy a loyal client base. Benefit of having a nail trainer practice hand: never search for hand models. Like I was saying in the beginning, you can create nail extensions faster, higher skill level, durable, long lasting, practice with pride, eliminate nail problems. So it just repeated itself again. So, okay, so I showed you guys the nail trainer practice hand. I'm going to actually show you the one that I work on when I'm working on my hand This hand is not exactly how your hand is going to look. I removed the little tan looking finger, the skin of the nails, just to get a better I don't know, just to get a better practice of it. I don't know, so that's how I leave them. And don't mind the polish and stuff. She's been, you know, she a little worn, y'all. I've been using her. But yeah, it comes like that. And then on your table, you will place, you can move this down and adjust the knob. And you can place it on your table where, you know, like that. So yeah, this is the nail trainer hand. It also comes with, I think it's 100 nail tips, and I believe there are 3 different sizes in the nail tips. You got the thumb, you got your three fingers and whatever, and then you got your pinky. I've been using mine, so I don't have that many left, but it does come with 100. You can purchase more on Amazon, or at your, sometimes your local nail supply store will have extra tips. And then they're so easy to pop on. It comes with like a little ridge back there, and like your skin would be around the white part, so none of that white part will show. That'll be all skin. And then you can take it off, you can slide it out, take it off, and then just snap it back on like that. Okay, so that is the nail trainer practice hand. But yeah, the nail trainer hand is for like when you want to work on your speed. You can get 2 of them, and you can pretend like that's a real person's hand, you know, both hands, and you can practice like that. It helps with your posture. You want to sit up because you can position the hands to be, you know, as a real person. As far as like the silicone hands, some people do have stands for them. I use my silicone hand basically for pictures only. When I want that real life type of nail picture. And then the professional gel polish LED lamp. Okay. I should have one of these open. I think I do. Because I have 2 different types. I'm not going to open this one. I'm just going to show you an example of how it looks. And it's going to come with your charger. And your lamp is going to be inside like that. Protected and covered. And it's also going to come with a little like instruction manual pamphlet. This gel polish lamp, it is anti-glare. It is hand sensor, so as soon as you put your hand in, it automatically comes on. You don't have to press the button. The only time you will press the button on top is when you want to set the certain seconds for the nail to dry. It is a high-powered LED, and this is by Sun. So Sun is one of the number 1 top brands on Amazon as far as gel nail lamps. So this is a Sun 5, I believe. And then on here, it shows the technical specifications. It shows you the power source and the input and output. So let me just show you how that looks outside the box. because I got two different kinds, so I'm just trying to see which one this was. But they're basically the same. So this is how it looks outside the box. Please, I've been using this one I use at home. This is my personal lamp. So I do have gel polish in here. But this is how it looks. You can remove the top part if you're doing pedicures. Remove the top part, and that way you can just set it down over their feet. And you can just snap it back when you're done. This back part is where you'll put your adapter. And then this is your LED, your LCD, I'm sorry, your LCD screen. And this is where it'll show you your seconds for curing. You got your 10-second timer, you got your 30-second, 60-second, and then you got your 99-second. And then if you hold this button down, this is also the low heat mode for like your hard gels. So if you hold this button down, this will put it on low heat mode, because sometimes you ever had a client when you're doing gel and they get that burning sensation, that's when you will want to use the low heat mode. So this lamp works just as good as any other lamp. Don't look no further. Shop with your girl, Nails Dior. For those of you entering the giveaway, good luck to all of you. I will be doing more. And then to my two winners who will win, I'm going to also put a little surprise in there for you as well, to just say thank you and that I appreciate you. So if you haven't watched, if this is your first time watching this video, go ahead, go watch the previous video. Like, share, subscribe, comment, join the squad. And I will see you guys next time. Peace and blessings, high energy, high vibrations. See y'all later.